Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about kinetic energy and potential energy. These are two most popular energy and two important energy also. Kinetic energy, what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy? See in this picture, this is the best picture to be absolutely to be understand about kinetic energy and potential energy. When the ball is here, so there is some force which obstruct this ball in this position. So some energy is stored in this ball. This is known as potential energy. This is potential energy. When we lift this obstruction, this ball will go forward to this position. So the potential energy will be converted to kinetic energy. Okay. So now we will now study what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy. Kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of an object has because of its motion. If any object is in motion, it possesses some energy which is known as kinetic energy. See in this picture, these are some objects. This is a flying aeroplane. So the aeroplane, the object, the aeroplane possesses kinetic energy. The woman is cycling, so the woman and the cycle both possess kinetic energy. Car is in motion, car possesses kinetic energy. Windmill is rotating, so windmill possessing kinetic energy. Everything, the boy skateboard, the boy kicking a ball, everything which is in motion possesses kinetic energy. So mathematically, what is kinetic energy? Mathematical kinetic energy is half mv square. So what is half mv square? M is the mass of the object, v is the velocity of the object, right? So kinetic energy will be the multiplication of mass of the object and the velocity of the object divided by 2. Velocity square, sorry. Mass of the object multiplied by square of the velocity will divided by 2 will be the kinetic energy of the object. For let take an example. Mass of this object is 1 kg. Mass of this ball is 1 kg and velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay. So what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equals to half multiplied by mass of the object is 1 kg, 1 multiplied by velocity 10 to square, 10 to square. Okay. And it will equals to 10 square 100 divided by 2 equals to 50. Okay, joule. Energy के SI unit of energy is joule. SI unit of energy, SI unit joule. J short form J, Joule. Okay, this is known as kinetic energy. What is then potential energy? Potential energy is an energy that is stored in an object due to its position or condition. It is not a force, but it can be converted into kinetic energy, which is energy of motion when the object is released. This is in this picture. This ball is in this position. If we let this ball go down, then the ball will let go down. So the potential energy is stored in this ball, which is converted to kinetic energy. Any object when stuck, any object is stuck in some position or condition, So that that body, that object possesses some energy which is called potential. If you pull an arrow, pull the arrow in a bow, that arrow will possess now the potential energy. When it is released, it will convert it to kinetic energy and go strike some object. So what is potential energy? Mathematically, potential energy is, see in this example, the ball is it in some height, okay, in some height, let us say h height is in the ball. Okay, so mathematical, what is potential energy? The potential energy is mgh. Okay, what is m is the mass of the object, g gravitation of the earth, which will be 9.8 meter per second square, and h is the height. So in this case, m is the mass of the ball, am is the mass of the ball, h is the height, and g is the gravitational pull of the earth. Let us say example, this ball having a mass of 10 kg and height is, let us say, 5 meter. So what is the potential energy? So potential energy is mass times gravity times earth, gravity times height, sorry. So what is mass? Mass is 10 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by height is 5. Okay, so what it will be? 98 times 5, so it will be 4 no, 490 joule. Okay, so we got to know what is the potential energy and how it is calculated. Now we have known what is potential energy, what is kinetic energy, and in this picture we will now know how it is converted. Let us say example, this balloon is filled with air, and now this balloon is due to its condition, due to the balloon has some elasticity of its outer perimeter, so it consumes the potential energy in it. When it is released, the air flow out and the balloon flies. So it means some potential energy is converted to this kinetic energy. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. Do like, share, and subscribe. Do comment below and do search Navodayan 2012. Thank you. Have a good day.